Let's make a fruit compote today, with pumpkin and pineapple. You will need pumpkin or squash, pineapple in juice, lemon, sugar, star aniseed, cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. We are using 2 small butternut squashes, but you could use other type of squash, or pumpkin instead. Cut the squash in half. Scoop out the seeds and the soft pulp. Peel the squash. Cut the squash into cubes, about 1 centimeter wide. Put the squash pieces into a pan. Next, we will cut the pineapple into small pieces. Add the pineapple into the pan. Pour the pineapple juice from the can into the pan as well. Grate a lemon rind from half a lemon into the pan. Use an unwaxed, organic lemon. Then, squeeze out half a lemon. Add boiling water, covering all the squash pieces and the pineapple. Add 2 tablespoons of unrefined sugar. Add half a teaspoon of whole cloves. Add 1 cinnamon stick. Add 1 star aniseed. Follow by half a teaspoon of cardamom pods. Boil everything together for about half an hour, until the squash is soft. The cooking time will depend on which type of pumpkin you are using. Once all pieces are soft, let everything cool off. You could place the compote in a jar and refrigerate it. Serve the compote cold.